Now we will be looking at what you call master data for our sales processing for unit testing. So first we need to have materials to be used for our sales order processing, as well as we need to set up prices, we need to set up outputs. So all this data we need to maintain first. So before that, I need to first check what are the materials available for my testing. So I've created few materials. These are the 5 materials which I've created, which can be seen in table Mara and have been shown as a status as uh, only Mara, what you call basic views have been created, but they have not been transferred to what we call as accounting view, MRP views, and other views have not been created for those materials. You can create those views individually, as well as you can create those views en masse. To do by mass transaction, you select these materials, go to transaction MM50, enter those materials, and then what are the statuses or plants you want to assign them. You enter plant, sales org, distribution channel, and now in statuses we will be assigning all the statuses what we want for these materials. We want accounting view, we want MRP views, we want sales views, we want plant stock view, we want also storage location views, we have already selected accounting, we have selected accounting, MRP, sales. If you see in this video, K and C are already there. K is basic data, C is classification is already there. We have to use other VD, BZX. Z is okay. V, D, B, ZX. So we have selected all the required views. Execute. Now we execute. So it's saying is, so for all these materials, select all, maintain materials, save, enter evaluation class. So we are doing all this in en masse. So all the views have been extended. It is shown as green. So we are good to go now. Now let's see again Mara table. So all these materials have been, except Z view has, Z and X view has been created. So we will delete as and when required. Thank you. Now I want to create stock for all those materials. So I'm going in transaction MB1C. The stock is required for our delivery processing. So I'm using 100 units for each and just try to post it.